Hi everyone, join me as I answer this question on Earth geometry. So it is question 11 coming from a 2024 GCE mathematics paper 1. The question reads, the diagram below shows positions of towns A, B and C. So that diagram shows the three positions of the towns mentioned. On A, what is the time at A if it is 05 hours at B? Then B, a plane flew from town A to town C in 5 hours. What was the speed of the plane in knots? So for the first part A, we will show the following. So if the time at B is 05 hours, what is the time at A? So now looking at the two towns A and B, they are positioned on the same longitude. So this means we are not gaining time, we are not losing time. So remember, as you move towards east, you gain time. If you move towards the west, you lose time. But since these two towns are positioned on the same longitude, we are not moving west or east. So we are not losing time or gaining time. So the conclusion on this one is that the time at B, which is 05 hours, is the same time at A. So on A, the solution is time at A is 05 hours. Moving on to B. On B, we want to find the speed of the plane in knots if it flew from town A to town C in 5 hours. So now, to calculate speed, the formula we are going to use is speed is equal to distance covered over time taken. Now, for time taken, it has been given as 5 hours. So for distance covered, this is what we want to calculate. And this here is going to be in nautical miles. So this is because 1 nautical mile per hour gives 1 knot. So to calculate distance covered on B, distance covered is going to be calculated as follows. So we are going to consider the angle difference between the two towns, then multiply that by 60. So now for the angle difference, this is simply addition of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. This is because town A is positioned on 60 degrees north and town C is positioned on 30 degrees south. So they are on different hemispheres. So we add the two readings on the latitudes. So this is going to be 90 degrees. Then times 60. So now what is 90 times 60? 90 times 60 gives the following. So 0 times 0 gives 0. 0 times 9 gives 0. Then 6 times 0 gives 0. 6 times 9 gives 54. Then we put a 0 where there's space there. We add 0 plus 0 gives 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 4, then 5 here. So this is 5,400 nautical miles. Now for speed, we said we are going to use the formula distance covered over time taken. Now for distance covered, we've calculated this as 5,400 nautical miles, then divided by time taken, that is 5 hours. So then speed is going to be given as follows. So 5 into 54, that gives 10. Then remainder 4, then 5 into 400, that gives 80. So we are getting 1080. Now remember we said 1 nautical mile per hour is equal to 1 knot. So this simply means that 5,400 nautical miles divided by 5 hours will give us 1,080 knots. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video.